Hello viewers, my name is Dipti Mukherjee and today I am going to talk about number series. Number series is important topic and it is important for every competitive exams, and there are many type of numbers series, and to solve this type of series we have the knowledge of various type of things, and today I will discuss those things also. And you have to remember some squares of numbers, like from 2 square is 4, 3 square 9. These are simple, but you have to remember 11 square is 121, 12 square is 144, 13 square is 169, 14 square is 196, 15 square is 225, 16 square is 256, 17 square is 289, 18 square is 324, 19 square is 361, 20 square is 400. This type you have to remember many squares to solve these questions, and some cube also, like 2 cube is 8, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216. This type of numbers you have to remember, and there are various type of series, and you have to guess the next term of a series. And for that I will discuss 18 type of series, and I am just giving some examples, like one example is 2, 9, then 28, 65, 126. Next term what? And you have to calculate. There are 4 options, but at first you have to find out the logic of this series, then you can answer of this term, what will be the term. And another example is like 0 and 7 and 26, 63, 124, and you have to guess next number. And some other series like 4, 9 and 16, 25. This is very easy, this type of series. Sometimes in competitive exams they also give some very easy series also, and some are complicated, and today I am discussing this type of series. Number 1 is prime number series. Prime numbers which you have an idea, that is any number that is divisible by that number and 1, that is called prime number. And prime numbers are like 1, 2, 3, 5 and 7, 11, 13. These are prime numbers, and many times series are like only some prime numbers, and you have to guess next prime number. Then you can guess easily if you have the knowledge of prime number. Another type is there are some gap, they just give one prime number, then next omitted, and then third. In this way they also ask some questions. And now the another type of series, that is first is prime number series. Now next, second, addition series, that is first number and second number we add some number consecutively, then that is addition series, like 2 plus 4, that is 6, again plus 4, 10, 2 plus 4, 2, 6, 10, 14, then 18. This type of series is addition series. And another example is like 12 plus 3, 15, 15, then 16, 17, 18, 15, 18, and then 21. This type of series is called addition series. We can add any number with this series, and then we can easily find out the term which we have to answer. Now next, third type of series, that is subtraction series. Sometimes two series are like when we difference, we get some number, and the difference between that numbers are the logic behind the series, like 28 minus 4, 28, 24, then 20, 16. This type of series, that is minus, and this is subtraction series or difference series. Now multiplication series. We can multiply number, first term, second term, third term, multiply any number with that, and then we can get this type of series. And now division series. We can divide any number from a given number, and then we can get the series. This is division series. Like we can divide 5 with this type of series, like 25 by 5, 20 by 5, then 15 by 5. This type of series are division series. Now next series, n square series. N square series, when the series is like a square, like 121, 144, 169, then 196, and then 225. This type of series is n square series, and we have to find out the next term, and in this type of logic we have to remember the square of a number. And now the another topic is n square plus 1 series. N square plus 1 series. For example, 5, 10, then 17, 26. This type of series, n square plus 1 series. And next series, n square minus 1 series. Here we can write like this, 6 square minus 1, that is 35, 5 square minus 1, 24, 35, 24, 16 minus 1, 15. In this way we can write this type of series. Now next series is n square plus n series. N square plus n, like 1 square plus 1, 2 square plus 2, 3 square plus 3, this type of series. N square minus n, like 5 square minus 5, 4 square minus 4, this is 5 square minus 5, that means 25 minus 5, 20, 4 square minus 4, 16 minus 4, 12, and then 3 square minus 3, 9 minus 3, 6, and then 2 square minus 2, 2, 1 square minus 1, 0. This type of series is called n square minus n series. Now next, NQ series. NQ means 1Q, 2Q, 3Q, this type of series, like 1Q 1, 2Q 8, 3Q 27, 4Q 64, 5Q 125. This type of series is NQ series. Now NQ plus 1 series. NQ plus 1 means 3Q plus 1, 10, 4Q plus 1, that means 65, 5Q plus 1, 126. This type of series is called NQ plus 1 series, and in competitive exam they ask this type of series and give some options, and if you find out the logic, then you can easily answer this type of series. Now another thing, that is NQ minus 1 series, like same like 5Q minus 1, 125 minus 1, 124, 4Q minus 1, 64 minus 1, 63. This type of series is called NQ minus 1 series. Next type of series is NQ plus N, NQ plus N series, like 5Q plus 5, 4Q plus 4, 3Q plus 3, this type of series. Or we can start from 1, that is 1Q plus 1, 2Q plus 2, 3Q plus 3, this type of series. That means 1Q plus 1, 2, 2Q plus 2, that means 8 plus 2, 10, 3Q 27 plus 3, that is 30. This type of series is called NQ plus N series. Now next series is NQ minus N series. For example, 210, 120, 60, 24, 6, 0. Here 216 is 6Q minus 6, that is 210, and 125 minus 5, 64 minus 4, like this. Alternating series. Alternating series, sometimes two type of series are combined. First term is first term, third term, and fifth term are follow one logic, and second term, fourth term, and sixth term, these follows another logic. This type of series is called alternative series. And now AP, many times they ask the nth term Like you have a series in AP, arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression means second term minus first term, third term minus second term, and fourth term minus third term. These are equal. That is called common difference. And the first term is if we think A and common difference is D, then nth term is Dn. Let first term is 5 and D is 3, and we have to find out the ninth term. Then A plus n minus 1 into D, that means A is 5, n is 9, minus 1 into D, that means 8 into 3, 24. 24 plus 5, 29. So nth term, that means ninth term is 29. We have to calculate like this. This is called AP, and sometimes they give some terms which are in AP, and we have to find out that series the next term. Sometimes nth term and sometimes the next term. Then we can calculate this like third term minus second term. We have to find out the D, that common difference, and then we can calculate the next term. Now GP, geometrical progression. Here geometrical progression AR square, AR cube, this type of series where R is common ratio. And we can find out the series like this. So that's all. Now bonus series. First is Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series example is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 8 21, like this type of series. Now next bonus. Bonus series 2 is Armstrong number. For example, 153. Here number of digits are 3, and we can add the power of number of digits of each digit, like 1q plus 5q plus 3, that is 1q is 1, 5q is 125, and 3q is 9, and after adding we get 153. Thank you.